All right, we're doing another box of 2021 Absolute Baseball. Robert B. Good luck, man. I think there's like, actually there might be not a lot. I think teams are all pretty much gone. Alright, good luck. Alright, we got Shane Bieber. Vlad. And Lamet for the Padres. Tools of the Trade, triple relic. And it is Cronenworth. That is number 35, 1 out of 35. Oh, redemption. Maybe that's a big boy. Yeah, I'll put that right there. We got Sanchez. Jim Tomei, number 2, 149. Junior. And Vlad Guerrero, number 2, 149. And Manny Machado. Ooh, that is gross. For the Padres. 10 out of 10. Nice one, Robert. That patch is filthy in there. All right, let's see what the redemption is. And it is Isaac Paredes. Pink. I don't know what pink's number 2. All right, that is it. Nice patch there, man. Appreciate it.